I can't believe in 6 weeks that I had lost 23 pounds and just a little over 9% body fat. So I came in, had not worked out in a long time, and really had a lot of goals to not only drop weight, but when I first came in for my initial meeting, we talked about losing body fat, which is something I really wanted to do. I was pushed. The meal plan really helped me through making good decisions on eating. I think I finally got over that hump halfway through where you feel better about life, you're sleeping better at night, your body starts adjusting. I would 100% recommend the 6 weeks challenge. Jumping in at first, if you're anything like me, at first it's a little nervy because you have no idea what you're expecting, or you don't really know the people. But the community at Iron Tribe, the goals that they set, and just the whole process, I would absolutely recommend it. If you want a lifestyle change, just dive headfirst in, and you'll see the results.